The 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Coupe marks a daring return of a nameplate that once symbolized Japanese sport coupe excellence. Reimagined for a new era, the latest Eclipse blends the nostalgic flair of the 1990s tuner culture with modern-day technology, sleek design, and improved performance dynamics. Unlike the Eclipse Cross crossover that carried the name in recent years, this new iteration stays true to its roots, positioning itself as a compact, performance-oriented coupe with the soul of a street racer and the sensibility of a daily driver. The exterior design of the 2026 Eclipse Coupe is both aggressive and elegant. Sharp body lines, a low-slung stance, and a fastback roofline make an immediate visual statement. At the front, Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille has been redesigned with thinner LED lighting elements, aggressive air intakes, and a sporty splitter that hints at the car's performance potential. Along the sides, muscular fenders and sculpted rocker panels emphasize its athleticism, while the rear sports a wide LED light bar, a subtle integrated spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets. The car sits on 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on trim, further enhancing its sporty silhouette. The hood. The 2026 Eclipse Coupe offers two engine options, a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 producing around 190 horsepower and a more potent 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 generating up to 270 horsepower. The more powerful variant is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, while a 6-speed manual is available for driving purists. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but Mitsubishi's latest iteration of Super All-Wheel Control, SAWC, is available on higher trims, delivering superior grip and handling confidence in all conditions. The performance of the Eclipse Coupe has been fine-tuned to offer a balanced mix of agility and comfort. A stiffer chassis, retuned suspension, and improved steering feedback make the car feel planted and responsive on twisty roads, while sound insulation and adaptive dampers help maintain composure during daily commuting. Brake feel is firm and progressive, with ventilated discs on all corners ensuring reliable stopping power. Inside, the cabin feels more mature and driver-focused than previous generations. The cockpit wraps around the driver with a digital instrument cluster and the floating 10.8-inch infotainment screen angled toward the driver. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mitsubishi Connect are standard, and the system supports over-the-air updates. Premium trims offer a 12-speaker Rockford Fosgate audio system, ambient lighting, a head-up display, and wireless charging. High-quality materials such as soft-touch plastics, contrast stitching, and optional leather-trimmed sports seats elevate the interior ambiance, safety, and driver assistance. Technologies are front and center in the new Eclipse Coupe standard. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Mitsubishi has integrated these technologies seamlessly, enhancing convenience without overwhelming the driving experience. The 2026 Eclipse Coupe aims to carve out a unique position in a shrinking segment, targeting younger buyers and enthusiasts who crave style, engagement, and value. It competes with the likes of the Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, and even the Honda Civic C, offering a distinct flavor with its available WD and aggressive styling. Pricing is expected to start around $28,000 for the base turbocharged model and go up to the mid-$30,000 south for the fully loaded SAWC variant. Ultimately, Mitsubishi's revival of the Eclipse Coupe is a bold statement that the brand is ready to embrace its performance heritage once again. While the market has shifted toward crossovers and EVs, the 2026 Eclipse proves that there is still room for an affordable, stylish, and engaging coupe in today's automotive landscape. It doesn't just wear the Eclipse badge, it earns it.